Hi, my name is Keith and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to share something very nice. So, if you did not know, you can actually create a membership type of website on Telegram. But in this case, you don't need to have a website. All you can do is simply make use of Telegram and you can create your own paid membership group or channel on Telegram. So, the advantages of having a membership on Telegram is that for this, you don't need to have a website. Creating a website is expensive and maintaining a website is expensive too, and sometimes you might run into errors. But doing everything on Telegram is straightforward and it's easy. Luckily, there are platforms or tools you can actually use to create a Telegram membership platform. But the first question is, why would you want to create a membership website? You might be having a lot of reasons why you'd like to create membership platform on Telegram. One, for example, if you're a forex trader and you should provide signals that might work best for you. Two, if you're a musician, if you've got any songs you'd like to people to support you to listen to your content that might be of good use to you. Okay. And if you teach people, if you've got courses, for that, you can actually create a membership and only those people who pay can have access to that. Okay, so there might be a lot of reasons why you'd like to sell your content privately or monetize. So for whatever reasons you may have, well, what you need to do is that I've got two favorite platforms that you can actually use. The first one is TG membership. So with this one, it's easy. You simply click on try today. When you click on this, it's going to open up your Telegram and simply have to follow the ongoing steps and simply do what you're asked to do. The other one is paid sub. It's another tool you can use. Okay. So I'm not going to go through creating that because it's going to take time, but it's very simple, it's straightforward. But otherwise, if you get stuck, feel free to contact me, or you can simply contact me and allow me to do everything for you, of course at a fee. So I guess this is it about this video. If you learned something from it, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. Bye for now.